Crazy box session part 2. I don't know what I'm gonna name this video, but yeah. So who's doing the first trick on film?
Backups. I'll hit that crank flip off.
Alright. Do it, I'll follow you. That was pretty cool.
Thank you.
Bow. Yeah. Oh, I like.
Me? How far?
I don't know if that's gonna count.
Got another.
Could have swung the bar and hit you.
His chest just went.
Alright. Now let me see a hot bar.
That's for tomorrow.
That's for tomorrow. I got that! I got that! Yo!
Gang, gang. That was clean as hell. Got that skate 3 fail. Backups. Whoop. Never sniffed that.
Ah, you good?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try to do daily vlogs or everyday vlogs, or every time I ride I just pull out the camera. I have like 67 subscribers by 2017. Everyone's listening, y'all. 2017. So New Year's, I want 100 subscribers.
It's a big goal.
Kinda, it's like
I say 150.
150. Nah, I'm gonna keep my standards low and go for 100. If I keep uploading, I think I can get it.
You got it. I feel like you're zooming on our faces.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try to full cab it. Dude, look how, zoom in to how I did the full cab.
Crank.
Woot. That was switch, guys. Now he has to complete it. No switch. No switch. You saw that, America? Not a lot of people do that.
So we made an up ledge. We put it on a curb and these two sketchy blocks into grass. So he might be trucking it. No
Yeah,
promises.
so I only know how to truck out of flyouts. So today, me, Connor, and John Carlo, I want to try trucking off something other than a flyout quarter. Even though it is a flyout, I'm doing most of the work, kind of. So it's going to give me an idea. Hopefully this will work.
For sure. For sure.
Yeah, me and Connor, we do trucks like on a regular basis.
Yeah, I do nollie trucks a lot, but
Yeah. We're just trying to get him to do it for the people.
for the culture.
For the culture.
For the culture.
Yeah. I mean, I learned it when I was about like 5 years old. So.
5, yeah. 4 or 5.
Yeah, around there. Yo!
He sent it. Ooh.
Yo, it's so fun.
Get it?
Close. Ooh.
Balls! My balls!
Ooh. That was close.
Hopefully I get it by the end of the video. I'm dying.
I want to get the 3.
He's putting in work. Connor, he's been recording, but I know he's gonna put in work. 360! Oh! See what I'm talking about? Or just move the box.
I want to move that fucking tree. Trees. No. Yo.
My balls! Alright, I'm dying. I need water. If I get this truck, can you give me water, please?
Oh yeah.
Oh!
No, you're. No.
Alright, so I tried the truck. Couldn't get it. Took a long time. I can get it next time, but I'm too tired and
I hurt my knee.
Connor hit his knee.
This is not gonna be on YouTube.
Alright, so yeah. I'll try the truck next time. I know how to do a fly out, but I'm trying to teach myself how to do it off the box. And yeah, any last words, guys?
Like.
Comment, subscribe. Don't comment.
Don't comment.
But subscribe
Subscribe.
for sure.
C-Man. What is it?
C_man BMX.
Yeah.
Check out my latest video.